best-selling products on Redbubble 2023. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we will be discussing the best products that you could start selling in 2023. Now, we will be discussing 3 types of products that you could start selling, and we will also be creating a design for them using Canva over here. So this video is about discussing the best product that you could start selling, and we will also create a design for this type of product. So let's get right into it. Now, the first product that are trending right now, or the first product that you should start selling, is wall tapestry. As you can see here, wall tapestry. This is what the wall tapestry would look like, and a lot of people are buying this type of product, as you can see here. It has a high margin, same with all the other types of margins out there. Same with the other types of product that we will be discussing in today's video. They all have high margin and have a high chance of high sales. As you can see here, all of this output are really great. All of them has its own unique design. So when you create your design for tapestry, you have to be unique and you have to create something that people would love. So we will first create our design for this one. Let's go over here in Canva and let's see if there is a template for wall tapestry. Click on that and let's see. I don't think there is one for Canva, so let's create our own design either way. Let's do a custom size. This looks like a 1x1, so let's settle with a 1x1 size, just like that. And we will start creating our first design for this first product. Now, as you can see, these are the different competitions that you have. They all have its unique output, so let's create our own output as well. Now, you're not limited to Canva. You could also utilize other AI platforms out there, because I know AI is booming right now. There's AI called Midjourney, where you could generate amazing output with just a prompt, and you could produce any output that you want and have amazing results. And you will be able to use those designs and sell them as well. So over here right now, you can simply go to the elements and think of a topic that you would like to start selling. For example, let's go with the topic of space. So simply search for space over here, and you will be able to see all of this output over here. You have graphics, photos, and even videos that you could use. For the photos, these are realistic photos, as you can see here, that you could use. If ever, you could just put this in here and then have this as your design. You could do that. But you could also utilize the different elements that you could do to creatively create your own output. So let's click on elements again over here. Click on space, and then you have your graphics over here. You could create a cartoonish version of some designs. So over here, they have their unique designs. So let's try and create our own design as well. So we could use this example over here, like as a background. There we go. This is a good output over here. Then let's have a background for our design over here. Put this there. Position this to the back, and now we have a space section over here. Now, let's look for something else that we could add. For example, we could add this as one of the planets in this picture. And let's see what else we could add. Actually, we could change the background to something else. I think this one looks great as well. Let's see if you will be able to have this as a good background for our design right now. Position it to the back. There we go. I think it's a bit too strong, so let's try and edit the image. Make it a bit darker. Let's adjust this, adjust the brightness a bit down. There we go, so that we can see our main section over here. Then let's look for different outputs over here. You can see and use different stuff. Maybe you could add this, put it there. It's not really a fitting design for our output right now. We could add this one as well. Then do this, but let's not add that. Let's focus on like a painting style. A planet that is designed like a painting. There we go. And you could put this one like far away. There we go. And let's look for one more that we could add, just to demonstrate how you could utilize our Canva over here to create good outputs as well. Maybe you could put this, or you could have an alien over here, or you could have something else. So let's see what we could add. Let's look for one last element that we could combine with our output, and we could put this design over here. Let's put this over here below, and you could have it like that. And there we go. We have our very simple design over here for tapestry. It's not the best, but it's also a very good output. And you can now download that image by simply clicking on share over here on the top and download it. And download it over here as a file type or a PNG, then upload it as one of your products over here on Sell Your Art. Now the other product, the second product that we will be talking about is also posters. You can see here we have posters as well. People are also buying a lot of posters. As you can see here, it is very similar to tapestry, but for poster, of course, it's going to be created on a paper. As you can see here, this is already appearing on our tapestry earlier, but you could also create it over here. As you can see, there will be a lot of different outputs. Now, you don't need to create a new output for the poster. You can simply utilize this one as well. It is completely up to you. There's also other types of designs out there. For example, let's create one specifically for our poster over here. We could use this one over here, like this. And we have this one over here, then enlarge this. We have a very unique design over here. Or you could actually use this one. There's a lot of different elements that are very good and has a lot of potential, as long as you know how to combine the different elements together to create an output that would be amazing. For example, this one. There we go. We could simply adjust the color of this to match our background. And let's make it a bit lighter. We'll go with this one, and then let's make it lighter over here. And there we go. And even if you leave it as that, you already have an amazing output already, because you can see the effect of the background. Then you could add more stuff if you would like to do that. Maybe add like stars over here, like art stars to the background, like that, depending on your preferences. You could remove that as well. You could add any element that you want. Let's see, let's add one more element for this one, and let's see if something or adding something can help improve this output that we have right now. So let's look for a line. Let's search for the word line itself. Line. Then let's have an illusion that our character over here is attached to a line. So let's see. Let's look for a line that could serve as a line for an astronaut. Let's look for a line over here. Curvy line. So here, over here, this one. We could have this as a illusion that this is attached to our astronaut over here. Then we could change the color to just like that. And there we go. We have a very simple output this time for a poster. Of course, the size of the poster is going to be different, so you're going to adjust. You're going to have to adjust your output for this one. And the last and not the least, the last type of product that you create an output on that has high margin as well is called phone cases. A lot of people are buying phone cases because in Redbubble, a lot of people are offering amazing designs. And as you can see here, we have different outputs over here that are absolutely amazing. And you could also create your own output that could potentially have high sales because it has a high margin. And for example, we could go here, add page. I have a lot of other products as well that I have created before. Like for example, this one, you don't need to have a very complicated design. And this could be like your mobile as well. I also created this through Canva. And as you know, you could see the potential of how amazing Canva could produce outputs. And you simply download these images and then upload it through your section over here, like Sell Your Art, and you will be able to create all of these products in one go, even if you just use one type of design. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.